Hi, I'm Helen Rodd and I'm a Professor of Paediatric Dentistry at the University of Sheffield. And this is the story of my FDS fellowship. I started my academic and clinical training in paediatric dentistry in Sheffield way back in 1992. And having passed my ISFE after 5 years, I was well on track clinically, but my academic and PhD progress was going nowhere fast. At the time, I was researching inflammatory changes in the tooth pulp, and I needed to collect hundreds of teeth at the time of extraction from children who were having general anaesthetics. But unfortunately, I was always being called to clinic, or I had teaching responsibilities, which really scuppered my chances of collecting these fresh samples. So progress was not great. I then had a lucky break. My academic mentor at the time, Professor Peter Robinson, an oral surgeon, suggested that I applied for an FDS research fellowship, which I duly did. And I remember to this day a wood-panelled room of very scary interviewers in suits who asked me a lot of tricky questions. But luckily, I was awarded the fellowship. And this allowed me a full year of full-time research, and I was able to make really good progress. And then I was in a very strong position to actually apply for an MRC fellowship, which gave me a further 2 years of full-time research, and I was able to complete my PhD. Admittedly, this did take me 6 years, and my supervisor, Professor Fiona Boysonaid, actually managed to have 3 children during this period. Without the support of the FDS fellowship, I don't think I would have made it as a clinical academic, as cliche as that sounds. The funding came at exactly the right time in my career, allowed me to really make good progress, to attend international conferences, meet lifelong research collaborators, and I will always be indebted to the college for their support. I actually moved away from neuroscience research after about 10 years and now focus on the social sciences, engaging children in oral health research. To complete this story, I actually joined the college's research committee in 2019, and now I am part of that scary panel that awards grants and fellowships to early researchers, and I consider that a huge honour. But to be honest, the standard now is so high, I probably wouldn't have stood a chance.